This may look like an ordinary sheet of plastic, but it's not. It's over 10 times more impact resistant. This specialized plastic is extremely fire retardant, so it will not support combustion or generate toxic smoke like general purpose plastics. And this one stands up to an extremely broad range of caustic and acidic chemicals. Anything but ordinary, these high-performance plastics are made in over 50 specialized grades by Boltaron to satisfy demanding applications that general-purpose plastics simply cannot. For example, aircraft interior components thermoformed of Boltaron sheet resist non-stop impacts and scrapes from luggage, passengers, and service carts, while meeting fire retardancy standards of the Federal Aviation Administration. And because it is so chemical resistant, these parts can be scrubbed repeatedly using strong cleansers with no staining or fading. Resistance to impact and fire makes other grades of Boltaron sheet ideal for thermoformed enclosures to protect medical instruments, kiosks, mechanical equipment, and electrical equipment of all types. High impact resistance, chemical resistance, and compliance with building codes also makes Boltaron sheet products popular as a protective wall covering in commercial and institutional building interiors, as three-dimensional laminates for routed wood substrates, and as flat laminates for building panels, storm doors, and other exterior applications. Extreme corrosion resistance makes Boltaron the preferred sheet for wet benches, wall panels, and partitions in clean rooms requiring factory mutual fire ratings. Resistance to scratching and gouging, plus a Class 1A fire code rating, make Boltaron sheet a premier material for compression molding of commercial and institutional building signage with crisp, raised graphics. And when it comes to the world's most popular gun holsters among law enforcement and military personnel, Boltaron sheet has proven to deliver the best combination of impact resistance and fire retardancy, along with resistance to cracking in the Arctic cold and deforming in the desert heat. To make high-performance plastics for these and hundreds of other demanding applications, it takes not one, but 3 different manufacturing processes. The first is extrusion, which uses a screw to continuously force plastic compounds through a lip die to form medium to heavy gauge sheet, which then passes through heated embossing rolls that impart a surface texture. The second process is calendering, in which specialized compounds are fed into a 2-roll mill that mixes and heats the material. A continuous strip of homogenized, molten compound cut from the mill is then fed into calendar rolls that form it into a wide, thin film. Embossing rollers then impart a smooth or textured surface and begin cooling the film, which is either wound onto rolls or cut into sheets. The third process, called press laminating, combines multiple layers of calendared and extruded sheet offline and fuses them using heat and pressure to form one solid sheet of material in gauges from medium to extremely heavy. The resulting composites can deliver a combination of aesthetics and economy impossible to achieve with any single production process. No other film and sheet producer in the USA offers calendering, extrusion, and press laminating under one roof, so no other manufacturer can offer you such a wide range of specialized, high-performance sheet products, and do so at prices your business needs to compete. Keeping these production lines well-fed takes rail car deliveries of raw materials that are conveyed into rows of silos both outside and inside the plant, and from there to compounding destinations throughout the plant, where recipes of proprietary formulations are weigh-batched to create over 50 specialized grades of sheet, plus custom sheet products for unique customer requirements. To offer those grades in unlimited colors, the color department matches to all popular color standards, such as Pantone and RAL, and uses the latest in spectrophotometry, both to match the color of actual plastic parts supplied by customers, and to ensure batch-to-batch color consistency. Also unlimited are surface textures, which are pressed into the surface of semi-molten sheet during extrusion, calendering, or press laminating. As a result, your high-performance sheet can resemble an endless variety of materials, from glass to stucco, football skin to fish scales, or brushed aluminum to woven carbon fiber. And Because you can thermoform, 3D laminate, flat laminate, break form, machine, fasten, heat weld, and adhesive bond BOLTARON sheet, your part can resemble just about any natural or manufactured material, in shape as well as in finish. With so many choices, you can specify the ideal material and production method for your part. Or a BOLTARON technical expert can provide free assistance in writing your spec to maximize the performance and appearance of your part while reducing its cost. In fact, you can count on friendly customer support throughout every phase of your project, from specifying your sheet and working with purchasing to assisting with forming and fabrication. Dedicated to your success, BOLTARON provides the colors, patterns, and textures your end product needs to sell, the physical and chemical properties it needs to survive in the field, the efficient manufacturing processes it takes to keep you competitive, and the factory support you need for total success in producing your parts. See how BOLTARON products can make your products excel at boltaron.com.